Excellency, my name is Kajingo from Soft Power News. Now, Uganda has carpet smooth roads across the countryside.
Has got?
Carpet smooth roads. Roads.
Smooth roads.
Smooth roads in the countryside, but it has become the norm in Kampala that every outlet to every suburb has potholes, to the point that Ugandans now make memes and jokes about it. Then the next is traffic jams. The cost of traffic jams and potholes to business in Kampala is immense. It may take 4 hours for somebody to drive from Nigeria to Kampala. What's the challenge? Is it that COVID impacted our resource pass? And relatedly, private sector foundation has been charged with organizing the Eastern African Summit, Economic Summit, as a prevent to the NAM. Nendooza bino kambyogere mu Luganda, abagenyi baffe tebabiwuliriza. Tuli mu kutya kubanga abakulu bajja kuba bali mu nnyonnyo, ne bano abagenda okujja mu summit bajja kuba basula mu hoteli zino endala ate babayita mu potholes. Ekirala, Your Excellency, mbadde nkusaba kubanga kijja kuba kya bulyazaamaanya bwe nzija wano ne sikyogerako ekyo bannange kiboogeddeko ekyokukwata abantu. Nze nali muto e Masaka ng'olwana, era abasirikale ababedda babuzangawo abantu, naye kati buli lwogenda ku Twitter olaba ekifaananyi omuntu ng'agamba basaala muli eyo musirise, ono omukyala, waliwo n'erinnya ly'omukyala gwe bayita Olivia Lutaaya. Olivia Lutaaya. Babeera bamwogerako, nakati bwe twogedde nti tujja wano abantu mbu baamusiba, alina abaana 2 mbu musibe, mbu ali mu court martial. Kati abantu babeera bagamba naye muzeeyi nga muntu w'abantu, ng'alina ekisa, ng'amanya abakyala bano abalina abaana baabwe nga bato, lwaki ekyo temukyogerako? Ekirala nti buvunaanyizibwa bwa gavumenti
bamusubira bwereere,
tebakyogerako. Kati oba tomanyi oba bulimba, naye bagamba mbu ali mu court martial.
But he can be in court martial for good reason.
Babeera bagamba mbu bamusibira byabufuzi.
The court martial is mainly to deal with terrorist cases, and so you get the facts. Bamusibira bwereere obaki?
Yes, sir.
Omuzungu ngenda kumwebaza nti kuno okoze ekyamagezi. Because why do people go to the forest? Twabagamba dda forest, wetlands, zino ze mugamba. Why? I would agree with the Europeans this time. I would agree with them, because it is really criminal to go in the wetlands. We don't come Waranyo, because you see the country is moving all the same, in spite of those indisciplines. But the country is moving. More factories, more this, more that. But abantu abo abatawuliriza, we shall of course deal with them at the right time. We shall deal with them. But why not listen? Because when we came from the bush, they had encroached on the whole of Mabera. I chased them. That Mabera had disappeared. When I chased them, it has come back now, Mabera forest. Kubanga mini yali abagambye nti mugende mu kibira kyekirina mugaso. But I ordered them back. the forests came back. So even these forests will come back. It is because we are busy, like now we are handling some issues, then these ones divert us here, but we shall, they will leave. So if the Mazungu have put that pressure, that's good, I like it. Multiple land titles of Gomba. Gomba noruga hii mwana. Chahi. Now, but even here, you see the Butwawangula UPC, we didn't fight in every corner of Uganda. Twasooka ne tukubira UPC Luweero. Ensongolera bagamba akanyigo ka Luweero. Twagamba nti UPC jangu wano tukubire kiwoko wano. Nitulabire mu Luweero. Nibaleta amagye from West Nile netugakuba. Baleta gawa netugakuba. Until Obote collapsed in Kampala. Because this is like a civic duty. Omuna Uganda asomye. Now, Uganda question about 2026 transition, we shall deal with that at the right time. Omanyi the problem mwebaza blood pressure. Mubera mukwera likira. What is your problem? Kajingo, good roads up country. Then here in Kampala the roads are bad. What you are saying is actually the truth. That in some countries, in many, I suspect in many countries, especially in Africa, the towns are very well developed. Then you go up country, terrible. For us, of course, there is also some bad planning in Kampala, but I think there is also the overall orientation of our thinking. Like, I have not followed much these small roads, potholes. I have not followed them up. I don't know. The other time, my daughter took me to some of them. But in my head, I have the plan of the whole country in my head. Remember,